Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Hey, finally got the bug off the trailer. You know, this didn't have a single spot of bird poop on it until after it got here. There's more than one reason why I call this place the swamp. But let's try to get these seats out of here after maybe I pour a couple of bottles of Febreze in it and let it air out for a couple more hours. How about that? Yes, I think starlings are just darlings. They're just such a beautiful and sweet bird. I just love them to death. Well, the seats aren't in terrific condition, but I think they can clean up. They do feel at least comfortable, at least the driver's seat does. So I think that this is gonna work out just fine. Whew, still stinks. Phase 1, Lysol. This is not a paid advertisement. Phase 2, Febreze. This is not a paid advertisement. Phase 3. Come on, Mr. Editor, a title please. Thank you. VWs, the Germans, they love these star wrenches. You got to have a set of these, most definitely. Well, dang it. That seat part there is always an issue, even on my bug. It's all tore up, so I'm gonna have to, probably do a little bit of seam work there, patchwork anyway, and then obviously get seat covers, which I was planning to do anyway. All right, this is phase, what phase are we on? Oh, we're on phase 4. Thank you very much. Hey, come on. All right, these brackets look like they're spot welded to the car body on both sides. But hey, isn't this a donor car anyway? I mean, can't I just cut those out and weld them onto something else? What do you think? I thought so. That's a yes. Now I know what you might be saying. Hey, it's a perfectly good car. Are you just gonna just tear it apart and never put this on the road again? Kind of hard to put it on the road when there's no engine here. The whole top is missing. It is gone. Hey, at least they put this rag over it. But this was a gasoline engine, I can tell, because it has spark plugs. The bottom of the engine's there, but nothing I can use. So, to answer your question, yeah, I'm just gonna tear it apart. Phase 5, rip everything out of the car so I can get to the brackets. This should be fun. I got headrests. Whoever the fool was that removed these originally, rue this day. Sean, sorry buddy, but this is about the time you need to look away for about 10 or 15 seconds. Sorry buddy. Mackerel, I think I found the horde. Ooh. Can we say infestation? Good Lord. Ugh. Sorry, buddy. All right. Come on. All right. There we go. Cool. I was missing one of these too. That's not in bad shape either. Needle and thread. This thread is so strong. If you were to try to break it with your hands, I think it would probably cut into your skin before you're able to break it. It is monstrously strong. Just gonna stitch this up. And then I think what I'm gonna do is put an iron-on patch over the top of it. You know, the kind that you put on the kids' pants to make it super strong, like Tough Skins were. I think that will make that really, really tough. And I'll put a cover over the whole thing. You won't even be able to see it. Well, it's not my best work, but that will do. I'll have to go to the store and get a patch for that, but what the heck? Not bad. All right, let's check this out here, see how much room we're actually gonna need. All right. 22 inches. Maybe just a little bit more than 22 inches. Let's see what we got over here. Right at the very... Ooh. Man, that's close. But it will work. All right, let's get to cutting. Have I ever told you that cats are opportunistic when you're trying to work? What are you doing, Mouse? Why are you trying to sleep on my back? What are you doing? I don't have arms in the back of my back so I can pet you. Doggone cats are opportunistic. You can't get anything done without them crawling up on you, begging for attention. You rotten cat, what are you doing? Well, it looks like there's just about 4 rubber lines that go underneath here that I might accidentally cut. Probably fuel. So I'll have a fire extinguisher standing by just in case. I think this is going to go like clockwork. I just need to figure out exactly where I want to make this cut. Maybe even cut too much so that when I get it into Malachai, I can trim it down to where it needs to be. But the seat belts I'm going to use out of Malachai and not these seat belts, because basically the seat belts are just to hold the person into place in a crash. I don't want anything attached to the seat, so I have to reinforce the seat to make it crash worthy. All right. Hey Jacob, good morning. What'd I tell you? Opportunistic. You smell any mice in there? What do you smell? Could there be any mice up in that glove compartment? Oh, it's locked. Hey, maybe there's a bayonet in there. No, not a bayonet. I would settle for, a couple $100,000 in cash. That'd be good. Now I have to open that thing or figure out how to get it open. Time to make this thing into a Fred Flintstone mobile. Man, I ain't gonna lie. That was a mother. Whew. Oh Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Fuel lines. No biggie. Yes. I got the floorboard out. Oh, more or less safe, but now it's definitely a vehicle for the Flintstones. Now to get the driver's side out. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and spare you the suffering on that second one, but this is a to be continued, okay? So next video, we'll be slapping those things in Malachai and see if I can't work some magic to get all that stuff to fit. Until next time, guys, I'm Dave Anderson, and I'm signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.